Previously on Sailing Adrift, we toured the marina portion of the Seattle Boat Show and saw some rather interesting boats ranging from a huge mega yacht with a hot tub to a very utilitarian aluminum boat and some more modest boats in between. Then we shot some oysters. But wait, we forgot to tell you about this delicious chowder we had.
Tastes healthy. Definitely a delicious soup. One of the thinner chowders I've ever had, but it doesn't go against it. I give it a 7. That was pretty delicious. What do you give it, Kelly?
I give it a 6.
Solid. Happy hour oysters all day.
Which were delicious. That was the highlight of the meal.
Yeah, they were both delicious. The smaller were better.
The Miyagi ones.
Yeah, Mr. Miyagi's oysters.
Yeah.
He has small ones, but they're tasty.
Oh, there's an asshole in here.
Yep, that's me. Let's go get a cocktail.
Sounds
This straw's made of paper.
Yeah, it's gonna fall apart in your mouth.
Yeah, they're the worst.
I got a girly drink. This never happened. What's that? It's got spit bubbles.
Yeah, you did.
Oh yeah, just help yourself.
I'm such a Miranda. Actually, freaking delicious. That is a tasty choice. Good work.
Yum.
Yeah. 4 stars.
Your drink is drunk.
Yeah, it's weird.
I thought it was just leaning like that at the bar.
Nope, it's like, whoa. It's healing. This is a starboard side drink for healing. And then this is a port side drink for healing.
How's your chowder?
It's excellent. This is really, really good. I think you should try it.
I think I will. That's a delicious chowder.
It is. It's chowderific.
Infinitely better than the chowder we had earlier.
Which wasn't bad.
No, it wasn't bad.
Yeah, this is just.
But this is like
chowder.
definition of clam chowder.
It is freaking fantastic.
Yeah.
And the Caesar's good too. Try your shrimp. Get out of my soup, dude.
Sorry, it's really good.
Cheryl ordered you out. Right.
Shoulda, coulda. Yeah, these are the Cabo Wabo prawns. Spicy cilantro. That was really good too.
Pretty good shrimp. Not as good as my chowder. Chris wins. Although this salad looks interesting.
It's good.
Edible. So, you know, this place has been a really great experience. My phone was dead. They offered to charge it. Kelly really liked to drink, and so did I. They gave us the recipe on a piece of paper. Best clam chowder I've had that I can remember in a long time. Caesar salad was really good. Your food was pretty tasty too. My Mai Tai was drinkable. I'm gonna give it a solid 9, which I don't give out very often.
This one was different. I have to be honest. Quite different.
This happened. Right, Derek?
It's happening.
It is. Right now.
There must be some kind of way out of here.
1, 2, 3. Snack time!
Hello.
Hello, we're at Beth's Cafe in Seattle, Washington.
What time is it?
It is midnight, and they have a 12-egg omelet covered in potatoes. Wait, the omelet covers the potatoes.
I am so excited for you. You know
I'm gonna
why?
eat it.
Because
Why?
I'm starving.
Like the Man vs. Food guy did the chili omelet challenge, and he couldn't finish it.
And you're not going to do
I'm
that.
gonna kill it.
You're going to kill it?
Kill it with a rusty knife.
You're really going to go for the chili challenge right
I
now?
don't know. We'll see.
Okay.
We'll see. Here it is.
Stay tuned, folks. Look
This
at
does
that.
not seem that hard.
12 eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do it. How long are you going to give yourself?
27 minutes.
Alright.
But I'll need a fork. Derek, can you help me out?
Here you go.
That'll do.
Time
You want a real
starts.
fork? Here you go.
Ever.
Oh.
You ready?
I'm ready. Go. How do you feel?
Well, listen up, City Jim. I is a baby.
Like I ate. We still have time to drink. We should make sure he gets really drunk, and then the next take will be just him barfing his ass.
They're big. That was quite tasty. And not at all difficult. It all lives right here. With all the garden gnomes that I eat. Hey Warren, will you say welcome to the Seattle Boat Show?
Hi.
Ready to go to the boat show? Day 2?
Day 2. Day
This
2
is
closed.
Inside and Classes.
Raise your hand in the classroom in school.
You look the same as yesterday.
So do
That's
you.
ridiculous. Did I get my cord out of the living kitchen? I don't think I did. Forgot my phone charger, Kelly. Well, hello, little lady.
Hello.
Glad to see you didn't get a straw to destroy the environment.
It wasn't an option.
When you think coffee, think Starbucks.
Green.
Starbucks. It's what's for breakfast.
Hey Chris, let's go.
What? Oh. Welcome to the Seattle Boat Show.
We made it. We're at the boat show on the
We are.
inside.
Where all the power boats are, all the little ski boats and things.
I should take my sunglasses off.
Yeah, you should.
I don't need these anymore.
Oh, I don't know. These are some pretty shiny boats. The history of the bathing suit. Doesn't that look comfortable? Look at that cabana set. Sweet. Instead of painting the deck and spending a large amount of money, we are actually looking at vinyl wrapping the entire boat. You can get any look you want for less than the cost of a paint job from a professional. And that, to me, is extremely appealing.
H. Psst, K. Oh, good grief.
So, definition, for purposes of this presentation, the cloud is the entirety of the internet. Okay? It's more complicated than that, but the reality is that if it's the internet, it's the cloud, and vice versa. Okay?
Nice. It's nice outside. It's a
It is
beautiful
nice
day.
outside, but
Sun's
it's
out.
cool.
Got hair in my mouth. Paid $5 for water. But at least it's sparkling.
It's Seattle dog time.
Hot dog.
Thank you. You've never had this before?
Never.
You're in for a rare treat.
I'm excited.
All right. See that? Cream cheese, grilled onions, hot dog. That's all you need. Welcome to Seattle, Kelly. All right, give it a go. Speak loudly.
This is gonna sound weird because I'm not a huge cream cheese fan, but I don't think there's enough cream cheese on this.
Keep eating. You took the first bite. It's going to be towards the center.
Okay. I like how it melts though.
Ah, she's got the Kelly nod going.
It's a good combination of things.
I tell you. Cool.
I might end up putting mustard on it though.
Of course you will. To me, that's good.
Yeah.
This is Pioneer Grill's Seattle dog. This is how I'm used to it. They put the cream cheese on with like a gun, like a caulking gun. Yep, that's delicious.
Hot dog. There's definitely like a grill flavor.
There is, but there's not as much flavor in the hot dog itself, I think.
True.
Well, I just finished my class on iPad sailing, and it had to be the most boring 2 hours I spent in a long time. There really wasn't much content either, and he seemed completely disorganized. I don't know if I took really anything away from it. But Kelly's visiting her friend, so I have some time to kill. Done with the boat show. I'm gonna go maybe grab some nachos or something. Margarita and wait. Seems like a good plan.
Why don't we just plan on coming up right?
How was your boat show?
My boat show experience today was not as fun as yesterday.
How come?
Well, yesterday we got to look at boats. Today we just looked at stuff and sat in classes.
That's true. Heading home.
To recap, day one, outside the marina, was far more exciting and beneficial to us.
What do you think?
We really came to the boat show to gather ideas for our boat. As far as classes go, we were pretty disappointed with the delivery and content. Nothing was presented that we didn't already know. However, one serious advantage of day two was meeting a few vendors like the wrap and synthetic decking company. In this industry, it's been tough finding reliable and reputable trades. It was a very positive experience to be able to talk with real people who are passionate about their business and produce quality work. As always, thanks for watching. Tune in next Saturday for more content.